What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the lagging and freezing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon and then your phone will restart it. And after restarting your phone, it will fix your lagging and freezing issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then check for storage space. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on device care and then click on storage. Now here, if you have 4 GB of storage left or less, then free up some space by deleting some extra files, or you can also empty your recycle bin to free up some space. So if you have less space left, it will cause the phone to freeze or lag. So after freeing up some space, it will fix your freezing and lagging issue. But after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is update the mobile software. So to update mobile software, open settings again, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install. And from here, if you have any pending update, then update your mobile to the latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, your freezing and lagging issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the lagging and freezing issue, then the last solution is reset all settings in your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings option again and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here tap on reset option one last time, and when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all settings of your phone, it will fix the lagging and freezing issue in your phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.